Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Encrypted iTunes backups protect passwords, health data, and keychain items with a password. You cannot read or remove that password from an existing backup without knowing it. If you need to stop encrypting new backups, you must reset settings on the device first. Resetting all settings does not erase your photos or apps, but it removes Wi-Fi passwords and system preferences. Use a Mac or PC with the latest iTunes or Finder. Prepare your device and note Apple ID credentials before you proceed. First, on the iPhone, go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset, then reset all settings. Confirm the action. The device will restart and keep personal data intact. Next, connect the device to a Mac or PC with iTunes or Finder open. In iTunes or Finder, deselect Encrypt iPhone Backup and click Backup Now. If the encrypt option still prompts for a password, the device settings reset may not have completed. Create a fresh backup to confirm encryption is turned off. If you remember the backup password, the fastest method is entering it and unchecking Encrypt Backup. If you do not remember it, reset all settings on the device first, then try backup options again. Always keep a copy of the encrypted backup before you reset anything, in case you need to restore encrypted data later. Make sure your Mac or PC runs the latest iTunes or Mac OS with Finder backup support. Consider exporting important passwords or health data separately before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.